Hey Ben, I've got a fun question for you. What would you do if you were a millionaire?
The age-old question. Well, if I were a millionaire, the possibilities would be endless. First and foremost, I'd invest a portion of my wealth in a diverse portfolio to ensure financial stability for the future.
That's smart thinking, Ben. But what about the fun stuff? Like traveling the world or buying a fancy sports car?
Oh, don't worry, Mike. I haven't forgotten about the fun stuff. I definitely indulge in some luxurious travel experiences, exploring different cultures and cuisines around the globe. And as for the sports car, well, let's just say I'd treat myself to a little speed demon.
Sounds like a plan. But what about giving back to the community? Would you donate any of your wealth to charity?
Absolutely. Giving back to those in need would be a top priority for me. I'd establish a charitable foundation focused on education, healthcare, and environmental conservation, with the aim of making a positive impact on society.
That's incredibly generous, Ben. It's inspiring to see someone with such a big heart.
Thanks, Mike. I believe that wealth comes with a responsibility to use it for the greater good.
Hey, guys, what's up?
We were just discussing what we'd do if we were millionaires. Ben here has some pretty noble aspirations.
Oh, really? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Ben, what would you do if you were a millionaire?
Well, Sarah, as I was telling Mike earlier, I'd focus on investing a portion of my wealth to ensure financial security for the future.
That's sensible, but is there anything else you'd do with your money?
Of course, I believe in living a balanced life, so I'd also allocate funds for experiences that bring joy and fulfillment, like travel and personal development.
That sounds like a well-rounded approach. But how would you manage your finances to ensure long-term sustainability?
Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. I'd adopt a disciplined approach to financial management, diversifying my investments, minimizing debt, and prioritizing long-term growth over short-term gains.
That's quite impressive, Ben. It's clear you've put a lot of thought into this.
Thanks, Sarah. I believe that financial literacy is key to building a secure future, and I'm committed to making informed decisions with my wealth.
Very nice thoughts. Okay, I wanted a break in my life. Would both of you like to go for a tour next week?
Yeah, sure. Let's meet on Sunday then.
Sure, I am ready for this. Meet on Sunday then. Bye for now.
Okay, we will meet on Sunday. Bye.